Welcome to my channel. My name is Joel. I'm happy that the year has come towards an end, and for the last several months we have moved together all through talking about health issues. Before the year ends, I just want to make a little brief about one body system that I have not talked about for many times, and that system is the urinary system. Viewers, so when I talk about the renal system, I'm really looking at the stability of the body, homeostasis. I'm looking at the system that makes our environment in the body to be at equilibrium. What happens with the renal system is we have a collection of organs. We have the kidneys, we have the ureters, we have the urinary bladder and the urethra. So practically, the kidneys, they receive blood from all over the body. It comes and goes through there. Now this blood is both having the requirements of the body and the waste materials that have been produced by the metabolism that has taken place. So when the blood comes in to the kidney through the renal artery, it is having everything, the good and the bad. So when it reaches into the kidney, it is filtered. So there is a smallest unit of the kidney called the nephron. Now its function is just to filter. So after filtering, it gets the wastes. That is, it collects those wastes. So we are looking at the kidney as something which is going to filter and then collects and send away. It is going to filter, keeps the good things that we need in the body. Those are the nutrients. It will keep them and they will continue. Then this other waste is going to be collected and sent out as urine. So by so doing, it will be able to maintain what we called the homeostasis. The renal system is very important to our bodies. We all need the equilibrium, and the equilibrium is made by the kidney. So everything that we eat and drink, everything that we put in our bodies has the good and the bad. So the bad becomes a waste and it is sent out. The good is retained in the body and it does its function. We need to maintain good renal systems by not putting in lots of intoxications into our systems. Drug abuse, drug use, and other activities that we make our body cells do, hence creating toxins, need to be limited, need to be reduced so that our systems can remain clean. Kidneys, the ureters and the bladder, they all have their this easy, what people call diseases. So these easy conditions, we'll talk about them when we come to them. They also have other things which are variants of the normal. So we have the normal, we have the variants, and then we have the diseases. And at another time, we'll still talk about it to see if we need the homeostasis in our body, what can stop it. If we need a good system and we have the variants, how does the variants affect the systems we want? we eat, we drink, how can we maintain a good system, the renal system? You and me can struggle to have a good homeostasis within ourselves because we need it. So this year we have done an introduction of the renal system. There are more systems we'll talk about as we continue, and then in the systems we shall still go on looking at details by details. Together we can have good health. I wish you a happy new year 2022. Joels is my name. I shall still continue in 2022 with the same work. Happy New Year.